Okay, so I was thinking today while I was looking at your test, while I was keying it, that there is actually an easier way to divide than the way that I taught you. So I want you to try this. So take your dividing polynomials by factoring homework, and I want you to try this a couple of times. I think this may actually be easier than what I taught you. So I'm going to look at the first problem on dividing polynomials by factoring here, and I'm going to work through it using this other strategy. I think this might be the easiest way to solve. Okay, so if we look at this, we have 2x squared plus x minus 1, and I'm just going to go ahead and rewrite it over x plus 1, okay? So what this means is I have the area up here and so I have like what I'm starting with and I have the area up here and a factor down here. So I want to know what's left when I factor this. So I can put the top in the box, right? If I do that, I start off with 2x squared minus 1. Now I know that one of my factors is going to be x plus 1. Right? So I can do that thing, instead of actually factoring this and then canceling, I can do that thing where instead I just, I figure out what I needed to multiply. So 2x squared, x times what is 2x squared? Well, 2x. Okay, for this one, 1 times what is negative 1 times negative 1. So what that means is that my two factors here are x plus 1, 2x minus 1, right? All over x plus 1. But look, didn't I already find out what's left? 2x minus 1 is the other factor. So I'm done. I don't have to do this thing where I put them on top of each other and cancel and hope that I did it right. I just have to write it down. Okay, let me try another one. Let me just show you the strategy again. And if you don't like it, don't do it. X squared minus 4 times x minus 2. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the box, and I'm going to put the factor on the outside, okay? Well, x times what is x squared? X. Negative 2 times what is negative 4? Positive 2. So when I divide x minus 2 and get it out of the way, all that's left is x plus 2. Okay, let me do another example. Okay, we have, let's try number 4 because number 4's got a GCF, okay? And I can do, I'll do this one with you too. Actually, you know what, let's just do number 3, okay? So number 3 was 10x squared minus 17x minus 20 divided by 2x minus 5, okay? So when I put that into the box, all right, I don't see a GCF, so I know I'm good to go on that front. I put it into the box. I put ax squared here. I put minus 20 there, okay? And then I put 2x minus 5 up here. So, so when I do that, 2x times what is 10x squared? Well, 5x. Okay, negative 5 times what is negative 20? Positive 4. Now, if I want to make sure that this is right, I can fill in the rest of the box. Negative 5 times positive 5x is negative 25x. Negative 5 times, 2x times 4 is 8x. Negative 25 plus 8 is negative 17x, which is exactly what I wanted in the middle. So when I get rid of 2x minus 5, 5x plus 4 is what's left behind. Okay? Let me find let me do the number, number 7, okay? Number 7, okay? And this is like the last one I'll do, but I just wanted you guys to see this. I think this is a good strategy. Okay, number 7 on that homework, okay, was x squared plus 10x plus 25 over 2x plus 10. Now again, the first step is always to look for a GCF. So I have to look. Do I see a GCF up here? No, but I see one down here. So I have to rewrite it with the GCF out of it. Okay, now I just have to remember when I see something like this, there's still a 2. So my final answer is going to have something, is going to at least have a 2 on the bottom. Okay, so when I put the rest of it in the box, x squared, 25, and then I have x plus 5. Well, x times x is x squared. 5 times what is 25? Positive 5. So I have, when I get rid of this x plus 5, I have an x plus 5 left on the top. Okay, so try the strategy. If you like it, great. If you don't, you don't have to do it. But it leverages that thing. And there is one problem like this where you just have to fill in the empty spaces on the box. So if you like this strategy, it's a good way to leverage what we know about how to fill in the box to help us answer the question when we have it.